Assalamu alaikum friends and viewers and my dear subscribers, welcome back to my channel and your favorite channel, the Bright Ideas. Friends and viewers, the Bright Ideas is uniquely and specially designed for fashion lovers all over the world, and this channel relates the new update of fashion items, and we provide you beautiful and top and latest collections of clothes, beautiful hairstyles, beautiful jewelry, stylish handbags and shoes and sandals and many more. So friends and viewers, you can ask if you want more updates of any topic. I will help you and I will show you whatever you want. So please subscribe it and make sure to hit the bell icon if you are enjoying it, if you are enjoying the amazing and latest designs. So friends and viewers, I really hope that you all enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed the video, you should subscribe the channel. In this video, you will see the best and latest collection of current fashion, and these articles are not only fits with your style and your budget, but also manage to represent everything that's special about your personality. And these designs are all the way comfortable and elegant and easy to wear, and created keeping in mind the trends and the color of the season by the top fashion designers. So please subscribe my channel and make sure to hit the bell icon if you are enjoying this amazing video. And as you know, we always try to make our subscribers updated about latest fashion trends and living styles and much more. So take a look at this video and stay updated to my amazing channel, because this channel provides you latest fashion news and lifestyle events in your country, and you will find your new videos about all type of fashion and all type of dressy design and beauty tips and health tips and jewelry designs, shoes designs, sandals designs, handbags designs. So please tell us that how much you like my videos and what you like the most in my videos. Thank you so very much for your support, for your kindness. Please subscribe my channel and make sure to hit the bell icon. Thank you so very much for watching my videos. Allah Hafiz.